In this video, we'll set up the basics for network input to work. To proceed, we'll be using Parallel Sync. If you don't have it, follow the instructions to install Parallel Sync before proceeding with this tutorial. There is a link to it in the documentation and in the description of this video. To get started, in the project panel, create a network input device layout. When you open the asset, you'll notice it includes a single group. And if we take a look at the input actions asset, we can see we have two actions stored inside. Let's add both to the network input device layout we just created. Drag them to the inspector. Now, open the input actions asset. In the window that opened, click on the All Control Schemes button and select the Add Control Scheme. We will name it Network Input, and for the device type, we'll add one that's simply named between square brackets, Network Input Device. Note that the panel has switched to the scheme we just created. Now we'll add bindings for each action. Now the steps to repeat for each action are: press on the plus icon and select Add Binding. Then, hit the path value, select Other, Network Input Device, and for this one we select Move. Now recent repeat for all the other actions. Add Binding, Path, Network Input Device, and this time for the jump action we select Jump. Once done with the bindings, hit the Save Asset button. Please do not forget to do so before moving on. For this tutorial, we will use netcode for game objects. If you're looking for the steps for mirror and fishnet, they can be found in the documentation at the Getting Started section of the guide. In the project panel, select the character prefab. From the inspector, we will add two components to the prefab. One is named Network Object, and the other Network Transform. Now from the project panel, we will open a scene named Menu Netcode. Over the hierarchy, we'll select the Network Manager object and change one setting in the inspector. It's the default player prefab. From the project panel, drag the character prefab into the property we mentioned. Now, before hitting play with Parallel Sync, make sure that we have the scenes included in the build profile, those of which are Getting Started and the menu for netcode. Now it's time to try the setup. Go to the Parallel Sync menu at the top and select Clones Manager, and a new window will show up with a list of project clones. Notice that I already have one on my end. If you don't have any yourself, hit the Add New Clone button first. If you already have it, then press Open a New Editor instead. With the clone project also open, hit the Play button on each editor. We'll make the clone one serve and the main one connect. Notice that we can only move the character from the one that is serving, which is not the desired outcome. Let's fix this. First, stop all projects and focus on the main editor. In the project panel, select the character prefab, and in the inspector, we'll add another two components. One is named Netcode Networking Provider, which handles the synchronization of input data between the server and clients using netcode for game objects. And the other, Network Player Input, which works with the networking provider we just added to synchronize the input. Two settings will be changed here. From the project panel, drag the Network Input Device layout that we created previously into the device layout. Then, head over to the property named Destroy When Client Only and add a new entry. And we will find the character component, which is way over here, and drag it to the entry. It is done. It's time to hit play on both Unity windows. Select Serve on one and Connect on the other. Now the cube can be moved from the client as intended.